Hey everyone, I'm Casey with C. Reeves Makes, and today we're going to make some chopsticks. This is the Chopstick Master Gen 1 by Bridge City Toolworks. This is a high quality kit that has been designed to allow you to make chopsticks in a quick, fun, and easy fashion. Everything that you need to get started is right here in the box. From the robust Chopstick Master base to the high precision plane iron, the kit will have you making chopsticks in no time. Best of all, the kit even comes with pre-made chopstick blanks in a variety of hardwoods. The kit comes with a green arm and a red arm. The red arm is for Chinese style chopsticks with a larger octagon shaped end. The green arm is for Japanese style chopsticks with a smaller 2mm end. The first thing that you'll need to do is set up the plane iron. Lift up the red arm on the pivot, set the iron in place, loosen the screws and slide the side guides down until they stop on the base. Retighten the screws and you're ready to go. To get started, simply pick the wood that you want to use, mark the blank sides 1 through 4, and then set the purple knobs on the side of the base to 1. This sets the height of the red arm to the desired level for planing the first and second side of the blank. Rest the back of the blank against the pin at the rear of the base and make sure that the front of the blank sits just behind the stop at the other end of the base. Now use the 2 provided wedges to lock the blank into place. This will hold everything still while planing. Once you are done planing with one side, remove the wedges and rotate the blank to side 2. Lock it in place with the wedges and repeat the planing. Then, for the next 2 sides, you will need to rotate the purple knobs to number 2. This will compensate the blank to match the previously planed sides and allow you to remove material from sides 3 and 4. Repeat the planing process for the remaining 2 sides. The next step is to shape the very end of the blank into the traditional octagon. Set the wedges aside and place the blank into the centered groove in the red base. Push the blank to the stop at the end of the base and hold it in place with your thumb. And then simply plane the ends until no more shavings are coming off. Rotate through all 4 sides until complete. The last step is to cut the finial end on the blank. Place the cutoff blade into the base and secure it with the thumb screws. Next, set the crosscut sled into place. The orange guide at the end of the rod allows you to adjust the length of your sticks. Hold the blank in place firmly and carefully push it through the saw until the cut is complete. Rotate the blank 90 degrees and repeat the cuts on all 4 sides. This will produce a beautiful diamond finial. The kit is designed to be used on a countertop or kitchen island. You don't need to have a workbench or wood shop to make chopsticks. One of the best parts of the Chopstick Master is that it's designed for ages 8 and up, so under adult supervision, kids can make their own personal set of chopsticks. You'll also find 400 grit sandpaper in the box, and you can lightly sand your sticks prior to applying mineral oil. Once oiled, the chopsticks are ready to use. The family and I wanted to use our new Chinese style chopsticks, so we made some orange chicken to test them out. I love using chopsticks and we had a lot of fun learning to eat with them. The Chopstick Master is easy to set up and use. In 10 to 15 minutes you could have a nice set of custom chopsticks. So when your friends are over and they want a set of chopsticks, set it up and let them make a set. I think the most rewarding part of the entire process is the beautiful shavings that come off with every pass of the plane. The curls would be great to fill a gift box with, or simply put them into a jar for decoration. Imagine getting a custom set of chopsticks packed in the wooden curls from the process. With the precision and the quality of this kit, I see it lasting a long time. I'd like to thank Bridge City Toolworks for sponsoring this video and providing me with the Chopstick Master Gen 1. My family and I had a lot of fun using it, and I look forward to making a lot more chopsticks with it. If you like the process or have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. I try to reply to every comment that I get. I'm Casey with C. Reeves Makes, and thanks for watching.